Hello there, grade 4. Today, all you have to do is just to answer the remaining pages left for this week. And for this activity, all you have to do first is to identify the units present in each place value. So for example, in this case, for the units of ones, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 units there. For your tens, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units of tens. For your hundreds, you have 2. For your thousands, you have 3. And for your 10,000s, you have 1. The next question says the digit blank is in the 10,000s place. Which digit is found in the 10,000s place? That's equivalent to the digit 1. The digit blank is in the thousands place. Thousands place, you have the digit 3. The digit blank is in the hundreds place. So in this case, the digit in the hundreds place is 2. The digit blank is in the tens place, which is in this case is 5. The digit blank is in the ones place, which is in this case is 4. Okay? So the next set of questions says the value of the digit 1. What is the value? When you say value, it's actually the actual value of that number. So for example, in this case, since it's under 10,000, you are going to give its value of 10,000. It depends on the number. If the digit is 2 there, so it should be 20,000. If the digit is 3, so that would be 30,000. Let me just fix this number here. You might ask me, Teacher Mark, why is your number 1 weird? It's okay. So next, the value of the digit 3, since 3 falls under the thousands place, so that's equivalent to 3,000. And the value of 2, the digit 2 falls under the hundreds, so it should be 200. The value of the digit 5 falls under tens, which means you skip count that by 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And the value of 4 is in the ones, so it should only be 4 alone. Okay? For this activity, all you have to do is just to break the number down. So that's basically the value of the number. So let's say for 8, the value of 8, since it belongs to the ones place, it's equivalent to just 8 alone. For 0, it falls under tens, but no matter what place value it is, since it is 0, the value remains 0. For the digit 6, it falls under the hundreds place, so it should be read as 600, or the value of 6 is 600. The digit 4 is in the thousands place, which means its value is equivalent to 4,000. And 2 belongs to the 10,000s place, which means its value should be equivalent to 20,000. So for this activity, what is asked here is also the value of the digit. So for example, the digit 8. The digit 8 stands for 8,000. Or you can also write it as 8 thousands. Yes, that's with an S. But in this case, I'm just gonna consider, oops, sorry. I apologize for that mistake. Let's do that again. The digit 8 stands for 80,000. Or you can write it as just 80 thousands, like what I wrote earlier, like 80 thousands. But in this case, all I have to do, or all you have to do, is just to write this number here, just the value itself. So for the next coming numbers, digits, letters, since the questions are in letters, sorry about that. The digit 3 stands for 3,000, since it falls under the thousands place. The digit 2 stands for, since it's hundreds place, so that's just 200. And for the digit 4, it stands for 40 since it falls under the tens place. And the digit 6 stands for just 6 alone. Why? Because it belongs to the ones place. In this case, all we have to do is just to count the number of units present in each place value. For example, in this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a unit of 1 as well in tens place. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 units found in the hundreds place. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units found in the thousands place. And you have 1, 2, 3 units found in the 10,000s place. So if you're going to write down these digits here in the blank, that sums up to 38,416. But just to show you, if you can see that number there, these numbers are somehow broken down. So let's try to get those numbers. We have 30,000 and align them according to their place value. You have 8,000. You have 400. You have 10 and you have 6. And if you're gonna add them according to their place value, this will end up having 6 for the ones. For the tens, you only have 1 there. For the hundred, you only have 4. And for the thousands place, you only have 8. And for the 10,000s, you only have 3. So if you observe, we have the same answer over here. It's just that what we did earlier is just a shortcut, and what we did now is just to show us the entire process. Okay, so for this activity, all you have to do is just to identify the value of what is missing. So for example, in our number 1, the missing value belongs to the hundreds place. And if you observe, if you know how to identify the place value in a number, this number belongs to the hundreds place. So which means the value or the missing value for the 100 is 1. Doing the same for the next number, the missing value here now belongs to the 10,000s. So to start with 8, that's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So which means the missing value here is 3. Doing the next number, the missing value here now belongs to tens. So if you can see that the value of tens is 6. And for our last number, the missing value here is now thousands. So since 4 belongs to the thousands place, all you have to do is just to 4 there.